Good now, travelers. We are going to do a tastimony at the Noble Chef, which is located at 6159 Balboa in San Diego,
Starting
California.
route to the Noble Chef.
I looked them up
Proceed to
online
the-
and they seem to have some pretty good reviews, so let's head on over. Is there some type of bird war going on or something that we don't know about? Because this looks extremely concerning. We are here. So they are located in a nice little strip mall. The area looks really clean, so that's good. Oh, speaking of clean, they have an A+ rating. They have tons of things on the menu, which is awesome. I was looking at the ginger and scallion lobster Yemen, and it's $58 and storable online. It was listed for $38, but we're gonna live a little. Does this have something to do with that bird war? So this is the dish that I got. It looks really, really good. Look at that ginger. I love ginger. It makes everything taste better. Well, not everything, but you get what I'm saying. So I grabbed a little bit of everything. I got some lobster, some crab, veggies, and noodles. Okay, so I don't really need to tell you if I liked it. Obviously, you can see. I would take a point off for the price difference, but the seafood was fresh. It was seasoned perfect.